Okay, in this tutorial we're going to show you how you can set start and end selection points for your video. In other words, you may, if you have several videos and they have started recording a little bit later in time, you're going to see the red mark here, meaning this video has not yet started because it was recorded a little bit later. This one has already started because it's in blue, so I can, if I move my time position scroll bar to a point where I see that green, there we know that we've met, they both have been recording at that point. So what I want to be able to do here is I want to make sure that when I go back to the beginning of the video, it doesn't go way all the way back, but I set a start selection point. And the way I do that is I simply hold the shift key down and hit the trim start point, and that tells me this is a start point. And then I can go back ahead and move, let's say I want to end it there, and I can just hit shift and sets an end point. So now when I go to the beginning of the clip, it's actually going to the beginning of the selection. So hit that and then press that. And that's how you can set a start. So I would do the same thing, for example. Let me go back here. Let me go to this video here. I want them to match. So that I'm going to go ahead and hit shift, start selection. And then I'm going to go back here so I know where the end point was. And hit select. And then I'm going to hit the set, again, shift and selection. And so now these two videos, if I go between the start and the end, they should match up no matter which one I've selected here. And that way now when I play them, I know they're already in sync as well as they go to the beginning. If I want to go back to the beginning, I hit that and they both go back. If I'm doing a loop, this is particularly important because that way I can ensure they both start and end at the same time. So that I would just enable loop, and then when it gets to the end of the selection, they'll both loop together. And that's how that works. And that's the tutorial covering how to set start and end selection points for the video.